Hi guys, just got back from the Dollar Tree. While I was there, I came across this really nice container. It has raised roses all throughout it. It's very high-end looking. I just knew I had to do something with it. So, I've decided to make a floral arrangement. My idea is very simple, low cost, and almost anyone can do it. What you'll need is this container, this floral form, and 4 floral packs of your choice. That is it. Well, besides scissors and a hot glue gun. Now, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to remove this. And then calculate my size. So these cut, I guess, about this much off. Let's try that out. That's good. Now I'm going to place a little bit of glue on the bottom. Oh, I ran out of glue. Don't you hate when that happens? Okay. Hold it for a few seconds. All right. Set that aside. Let that dry. Next thing I'm going to do is pull these down. And they have wire that runs in the inside. So I'm just going to scar it. Twist a little bit. And then pop them off. All right, now let's start putting these suckers in here. Putting on pretty much wherever I want. Make this a little smaller. There you go. There you go. Time to give my doll room some color. Ta-da.